Hey there, ladies! Today I want to talk about something pretty amazing, turmeric. You may have heard of it as the golden spice, but did you know it's packed with health benefits specifically for women? Let's dive in. First off, turmeric is a powerhouse when it comes to fighting inflammation. Chronic inflammation can lead to a whole host of health issues, from joint pain to heart disease. The active compound in turmeric, called curcumin, is a natural anti-inflammatory. So, incorporating turmeric into your diet could help keep those aches and pains at bay. Now, let's talk about how turmeric can boost your mood. Yep, you heard that right. Studies have shown that curcumin can help increase levels of serotonin and dopamine in the brain. These are the feel-good chemicals that help regulate your mood and keep you feeling upbeat. So, next time you're feeling a bit down, maybe reach for a turmeric latte instead of that extra cup of coffee. Ladies, we all know how important it is to maintain healthy skin. Turmeric is a fantastic natural remedy for glowing skin. It has antioxidant properties that help fight off free radicals, which can cause premature aging and wrinkles. Plus, it has antibacterial properties that can help with acne and other skin conditions. Just mix a little turmeric with honey or yogurt for a natural face mask. For those of us dealing with menstrual discomfort, turmeric might just become your new best friend. It can help alleviate cramps and bloating thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. Some studies even suggest that curcumin can help regulate your menstrual cycle. So, adding a bit of turmeric to your diet could make that time of the month a little more bearable. And let's not forget about bone health. As women, we're more prone to osteoporosis as we age. Turmeric can help improve bone density and strength thanks to its ability to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. It's a simple addition to your diet that could pay off big time in the long run. Alright, so how can you start incorporating this golden wonder into your life? It's super easy. You can add turmeric to smoothies, soups, and curries. Or try a turmeric supplement if you want a more concentrated dose. So, there you have it. The incredible health benefits of turmeric for women. From fighting inflammation and boosting your mood, to giving you glowing skin and easing menstrual discomfort, turmeric is a true multitasker. Give it a try and see how it works for you. And remember, always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Stay healthy and stay golden. Catch you next time.